Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Guys, here you can see my result. I have got some interesting results from OGAds platform. In this video, I'm going to share with you most effective way to generate leads using OGAds platform. I'm going to share with you a step by step, so you can watch this full video. Before we start, here is a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. I do not guarantee any income and results. Your results may vary based on your effort, skills, experience, consistency and traffic. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. First of all, you can go on OGAds CPA network. Guys, this is a best CPA network. This CPA network have most effective tool that you can use. You can use a smart link. Here you can see overview of OGAds network. Guys, here you can see you can easily monetize your website, blog, app or social media accounts with OGAds. First of all, you will have to create account on this network. You can click on sign up button. It will then take you to this page. You can type your username, email address, password and then you can click on next step button. You can fill address information and then you can click on next step button. Here you can fill general information and then you can click on next step button. You can read and accept its terms and conditions. At last, you can click on finish button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. Here you can see payment overview. Here you can see result. I have got some interesting results using OGAds CPA network. Here you can see minimum threshold is $100. Guys, you can click on tools button. Now you can click on smart links button. You can click on create a smart link button. Now you can type your name of your smart link. You can type your anything. If you want, you can type your notes. Now you need to log your URL. You can log here any kind of URL. Like you can log here movie URL, website URL. You can log here any kind of important URL. I'm going to log here movie URL. You can go on MX Player platform. Here you can see there are a lot of movies to choose from. You can log any of this movie. For example, you can click here to play this movie. Here is showing URL of this movie. You can copy this URL. Now you can go on OGAds network. You can paste your URL. Now you can click on offers button. You can click on add offer button. Guys, here you can see there are a lot of CPA offers available on OGAds platform. Here you can see payout rate. When people from this country complete this CPA offer, then OGAds network may credit your account with the payout zone for this offer. You can simply click here to add this CPA offer in your smart link. Now in next step, what you will have to do is you can click on create a smart link button. Now click on actions button. Click on view details button. Guys, here you can see this smart link is active. Here is showing a smart link. You can use this link to promote. You can copy this smart link. Now in next step, what you will have to do is you can go on bolt.new platform. You can create account on this platform. Guys, here you can see you can create stunning apps and websites using this platform. You can simply type your prompt. You can type your attractive prompt. This platform will create attractive website for your smart link. Guys, if your website will be attractive, then lots of people can visit on your website. You can simply type your prompt. You can type your this kind of prompt. I want you to make best attractive website related to movies. Add some movies poster and it should follow all rules. Also display pop-up ads after 5 seconds on this website. User can close these pop-up ads and also they can visit on pop-up ads. When user will visit on pop-up ads, then open this URL. You can paste here your smart link of OGAds. Now you can type here. Also make best interface of pop-up ads. You can type here this kind of prompt. Now you can click on build now button. Guys, it will take some time to build attractive website. Guys, here you can see this AI platform has built a great website. You can see everything is looking perfect. In next step, what you will have to do is you can click on publish button. Now you can click on publish button. Click on publish button. Guys, here is showing URL of this website. You can click here to edit this URL. Now you can click on save button. This platform has inserted a smart link of OGAds network on this pop-up ads. Here is showing updated URL of this website. Click here to copy this URL. Now I'm going to open this URL in new tab. Guys, you can see this website is looking attractive. AI platform has built an attractive landing page. Here is showing pop-up ads. User can click here to close these pop-up ads. When user will click on this button, then OGAds network will show CPA offers according to user. When that user will complete the required step, then OGAds network may credit your account. And that user can visit on this URL. That user can watch full movie on this website. AI platform has inserted a smart link on this button. User can click on this button. So guys, this is a best effective way to generate leads on OGAds platform. You can share this website on social media platforms to get lots of users. If you want to learn more about OGAds CPA network, then you can watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video, and also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.